Big Crazy John here with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures. I am very excited to share with you what I got for my birthday this week. My wife, Amie, she bought this and surprised me with it, and it's this GoPro Hero 7 Black. You can see here, GoPro Hero 7 Black. And it is exactly what I wanted. And I've watched some great videos. Casey Neistat had a video that was actually with GoPro, the company. They were kind of showcasing it. And Peter Mckinnon just posted a video about the GoPro Hero 7. Seth DeMoor had a good comparison video. And probably one of the best comparison videos I saw was the Iphonedo channel. And his was pretty funny as well. So I've really enjoyed the GoPro Hero Session, which is a smaller, I would say one of the cheapest GoPros that's on the market. It was on the market, I guess. They don't really push it now, but I bought it for like $125, whereas the GoPro Hero 7 Black is, their top of the line camera now. So that our, Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures has gotten an upgrade with this camera, so I'm very excited about it. And everything I see about this, you can see here, they're advertising the HyperSmooth. Everything I've seen about the HyperSmooth looks awesome. It's just, it's a big difference between having that off and just, carrying it to having the HyperSmooth on. It makes it very smooth. It's very, some would say gimbal-like, but there's some that are saying, specifically GoPro, is saying that this is a gimbal killer. I don't think that's true, because the gimbal, I've seen comparisons with gimbals and it's still way smoother. So, but I mean, as far as what I needed for biking and hiking and maybe even running and some other videos, I'll probably want to do action type videos. I think this, makes it less of a reason to have a gimbal, because the HyperSmooth is very smooth. It's a very good video. I'm really impressed. So in this video, we're going to cover the unboxing. We're going to cover some test footage, and time permitting, we might also cover a new piece of equipment my wife got for me. It's a mount, so it can be mounted on the backpack, and so that would be good for backpacking or hiking videos, and we'll check that out. And the title of this video is GoPro Hero 7 Black, Real or Fake News? Let me try that again. The title of this video is GoPro Hero Black 7 for real or fake news? And I think it's for real so far. So we'll see when we get into the box and get into some test videos. So stay tuned. It's got some attachments there, mobile app, GoPro app. It's got 12 megapixel, 4K 60, 1080p, 1040. Goes underwater. Has audio commands you can give it. Touch screen, 8x slow-mo, GPS, HDR, HyperSmooth, live streaming. A lot of nice features. This is the unboxing. Let's unbox it. There's that aspect of, it looks beautiful in the package, and I don't want to open the package, and I really want to appreciate it in the package. But then there's this is the whole thing of unboxing, is people enjoy, it's like Christmas. It's like people enjoy that opening gifts. It's your birthday. It's, you're getting a gift. The unboxing, I've always enjoyed that. So I'm gonna really relish this. There it goes. Opening it up. As I shake it. There we go. All right, so not much to the box. That's just the case, really. We got this. I think they really want to, it's statue-like, they really want to showcase it, so they have it kind of on, it's on a pedestal. So that's what this is. And I think that's a good idea. So we got the normal stand here. As Abby's making a lot of background noise. Down, down. So we got the normal GoPro attachment here. So you can actually pop this up, squeeze it. There we go, and push. And then that locks it, so you can't squeeze it. There's that. This is really useless, so you're not going to be able to use that anywhere. That's for display purposes. We got the manual probably, or some advertisement. Let's see. Yeah, basically how you get it out of the case. That's pretty simple. How you get it, how you can charge it, how you can record, how you turn it on, how you can mount it. Good stuff. Very similar to the Session. Got some stickers. Everyone likes stickers. Here's the manual, which I will probably read. And then we got the battery. Very important. Get that charged up. Got a couple mounts, which I'm happy to see because I will use probably both of these. And actually, these appear to be the same mounts I have for the GoPro Hero Session, so that's good news. Box. What's in the box? This is what is in the box. Got some stickers. Got the quick start guide. Got the important product and safety instructions. 2 mounts, charging cable, battery, and of course the camera. And there's the box. So I wanted to provide a little perspective. I had this, this is my first entry into the kind of the GoPro-like, you know, action camera genre, and this was the Yi action camera. And, you know, it was a cheap action camera. It was okay. I took some video with it. I don't know if I even actually ever published anything with this camera, but there was video taken. There might have been some Abby cam kind of shots early on, but there's this one I've used a lot, the GoPro Hero Session, and I will never go back to a knockoff GoPro. After using this, then using this, night and day difference between the two. I got frustrated with this one just from trying to just get it to take video. It was not consistent. And this one, so easy. You just hold, just hit the button on the top, it takes video. You can take pictures with it. I only really used it for video, and it did that. It did a great job. One of my most popular videos on YouTube was done with this camera. So, like I was saying, this has been, as far as action camera is concerned, my go-to. I've used it for biking video, my most popular biking video, this camera, I believe. And the most popular video, hands down, on my channel, the Current River float trip, was completely shot on this camera. So this has been a good camera. And so this is like a major upgrade, because I think this one, the GoPro Hero Session, is compared to the GoPro Hero 5. And I mean, it obviously doesn't have all the features of the GoPro Hero 5, but as far as quality, it is somewhat similar. So this is a major upgrade. So that is the unboxing. That is the camera. Let me break it here. Basically taking it out of the case. Not as easy to get out of the case. So there you go. So we're going to charge it up. We're going to get it out in the field and check out how the HyperSmooth is and some of the other features. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I would ask that you please subscribe, and remember, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.